Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love unboxings. Today it is my Ipsy Glam bag, my Boxycharm by Ipsy, and the Icon box, all for the month of November. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. These boxes are also gifted from Ipsy, so thank you to Ipsy for gifting. This month's theming, there will be a theme each time. November 2024, glow off this winter. Winter's turning up the chill, so we're turning up the sparkle. Let's hope so, y'all. You've got places to be and your favorite people to see this holiday season. So keep your skin merry and bright and make sure your glam outshines the tinsel. And if you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy subscription boxes, the Glam bag is 5 deluxe beauty samples. We, as members, get to choose one product. I do still get my paid for bag. It's a value of up to $70 and it is $14 monthly. Our Boxycharm by Ipsy is 5 full-size beauty products. Members get to choose 3 of those products. It is a value up to $200 and it is $30 monthly. Our Icon box, which I think is my favorite, is 8 celebrity curated full-size products. It is a value up to $350 and it is $60 quarterly. And I think I'm going to go into the OG or the original glam bag first. I have gotten my paid for Ipsy Glam bag since March of 2015, you guys, so a long time. And I always say, and I will continue to say this, I feel like subscription boxes are the best bang for your buck for several reasons. First and foremost, are you trying to build a collection? Great for that. If you are somebody that wants to test different products, but maybe it's not in your budget, like myself, to go and spend $70 for skincare products to not like it, this is a really nice way, an affordable way to receive different products, makeup, skin, hair, so on and so forth. And for not a whole lot of money, you can test these products and then decide if you want to pay full price for them, or you can also go into the Ipsy Mega Drop shop and shop there for a substantial discount. That's something else I really love. And then more specifically, for the OG Ipsy Glam bag, I love the travel minis because we like to travel to see our son quite frequently. And I do not get any spoilers. I'm going to be shocked and get to see everything in real time with you guys. And that is what this video is. This is a spoilers video for you to determine whether or not you want to sign up for one of the subscription boxes and what you or I could get in our bags. So first up, the bag is a really beautiful kind of metallic snake skin. Obviously, I'm going to say that it's most likely faux. And then let's go into our bag. First up, right on top, I have the Marc Anthony Repair Bond, the leave-in conditioner. I can always use a leave-in conditioner, so I'm definitely not mad at that. And I like something like that. I'm looking for, I want the sparkle and shine, like they said on the card, but then I also want things that as we transition from fall time going kind of into winter time and the more cool months, I want things to quench my hair, quench my skin, my lips, etc. Next up is the Goldfaden MD, the Eye Defy Radiance Restoring Eye Treatment. Next up is the Saturday Skin Carrot and Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. Oh, that sounds amazing. Next is, an Anastasia Beverly Hills Gloss. That looks so freaking pretty. And then last up in my regular Ipsy Glam bag, no way, is the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. This is the Extra Volumizing and Lifting Mascara, and it says Very Vanta. I love the packaging. Yellow and pink are my favorite colors. I don't normally open up the mascaras, but I did want to see the wand. I also would like to show it to you guys in the case that maybe you want to pick this as your choice. And keep in mind too, choice opens on the 1st. So we got 2 makeup items and 2 skincare items. I'm sure that the people that want more makeup than skin are probably looking at this selection. They're like, meh, I like it. I'm thrilled with it and satisfied with it. So that was our OG Ipsy Glam bag. I do also like to keep these. I have a resale group on Facebook, so I kind of pay it forward with these. If I do giveaways and stuff like that, I also do a ton of secret giveaways here. I'll toss those in with those as well. I think I'm going to save the Icon for last. So I'll go ahead and go into the Boxycharm by Ipsy. Should have been called Ipsycharm. Let me grab a little scissor to open this up. And again, these are 5 full-size products. And right on top, we do have our little pamphlet, Boxycharm, November 2024. It will kind of give you pertinent details, things like that. First thing right on top, holy crap, that's huge, is the Murad, the Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. Look, yeah, that's big as my big old head, you guys. That is exciting. I'm all for cleansers. Formulated with the vitamins A, C, and E, this energizing cleansing gel helps remove pollution and other impurities without over drying your skin. Love. Okay, I'm excited already, you guys. Next up is the Cinta London, the Aqua Forte Super Hold Setting Spray. Ooh, also very excited about that, you guys. I feel like you can never have too much setting spray. Anybody else? Next up, we have the Element Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to assume it is black, but I'm not really seeing that, so we're just going to assume that it's black. I do have plenty of liquid eyeliners. I'm going to set this to the side and it will go into a future giveaway, or I will pay it forward to somebody else. Anything I receive in PR that I know I'm not going to use, I do try to pay it forward. I try my best to not be wasteful. Next up, we have the iconic London Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter. I did get the shade Universal, and I will show y'all what this looks like, and I'm also curious myself what it looks like. Ooh, the component and stuff feels really nice, really heavy. And, ooh, that is really pretty. It's a very soft champagne, but I can see a little bit of like peachy pinkness to it. And it is a little bit domed. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see that part of it. That is so pretty. Ooh, I feel like this is going to be one of those highlighters. Yeah, I think this is going to smooth out really, really nicely and kind of appear to be super blinding kind of right here, but then once it's on the skin, I don't feel like we're going to see it be quite like that. I think it's going to give that like lit from within luminous quality to the skin. I'm excited as heck about that. And then last up in our box is the Violet Voss, the Disco Trip Eyeshadow Palette. I will also open this up. And I'm seeing purple vibes, which is kind of cool because if this is in here, look, it's going to save a lot of us some money. Those of us that have the whole FOMO thing with Natasha Denonna's new palette that we don't need, y'all. Here is the outside of the packaging. Oh. Disco Drip. Okay, I can kind of see where they're going, but looking at the packaging, I assumed purples and blues. Still really pretty. Probably not something I'm going to hold on to. I don't know. I was just expecting something a little bit different. Not that it's not really pretty. I do think that it's really beautiful, but we'll see. Y'all let me know if I should keep this or not. So in our Boxycharm by Ipsy, we got a palette, we got our highlighter, and a liquid eyeliner. And then we got a setting spray, and then a cleanser. I think that is a really, really nice curated box. I think especially if you're somebody like me, that you kind of miss old school Boxycharm and you want a palette in every box, or you prefer makeup, I think you would have loved this. All right, let me get that out of the way. Now we're going to go into our big boy over here, and I don't even have any spoilers at all. I have no idea who the curator is for this time around for the Icon box. And this one, again, is 8 full-size products. Definite big bang for the buck. Oh, cool. Okay, the Icon box with Lisa Vanderpump. That's so cool. And then I like that in this particular kind of magazine or informational pamphlet, they're going to talk us through why she chose the products that she chose, pricing, things that you could have received in your box, so on and so forth. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to start. There's so much in here. And it is packaged really nicely with some foam and stuff like that. Right on top, I see the Tartlet Juicy palette. I'm also going to have to kind of see what this looks like. I am somebody that kind of has a preference for very warm, rich neutrals. Or I like grunge and I like greens and stuff like that. So for me, if it kind of lacks depth, it's probably not something I'm going to use. It is very pretty though. And oh my gosh, does that smell really, really good. I always forget how good their stuff smells, y'all. All right, so we have a palette. Starting off the Icon box with a bang, y'all. Next up is the Elemis Skin Buff, the Deep Cleansing Exfoliator. I'm all for an exfoliator, y'all. So that sounds great. Next up is the KORES, the Santorini Grape Volcanic Skin Reset Mask. That sounds nice. And KORES is a very kind of expensive brand and stuff like that. I'm going to look this up. A lot of these types of masks, if they've got like pore detoxifying, clays, things like that, they can tend to over dry my skin. I do have very dry skin, very sensitive and reactive skin. So I will research this and kind of look this up. Still happy to have stuff like this, that skincare things to kind of, you know, help quench and hydrate and exfoliate and all that kind of stuff. So far I'm happy. Next up is I was going to buy this. I'm so excited about this. Is the Glow Recipe, the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. Brightening, evening, and toning. I've wanted to try this since it came out. And this, I mean, this is a massive size. Again, everything here is full sizes. And I love their components. Everything I've ever tried from them, I've really loved. All right, yeah, a lot of skincare, you guys. A lot of skincare. Next up, ooh, yes, you guys. I feel like Icon Box is gonna win this month. This is the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I do like Amika. I'm a fan of their packaging, the way everything smells. And I feel like if you're somebody that tends to use more like hydration products, or like if you have wavy or curly hair, you know, sometimes products can really weigh the hair down or make the hair feel just kind of gunky or feel like they have a film. I don't feel like I have that issue with Amika products, and they smell, you guys, they smell divine. So I'm sure this smells great. I was hoping for a product like that. That's awesome. All right, next up is the Polite Society, the Polite Pout Glossy Lip Balm. And I got pink grapefruit. Oh my gosh, that sounds lovely. I also want to see what this looks like. All right, it's kind of those, you know, like Sunday Riley type packaging and stuff like that. And then a traditional little applicator. I am going to smell it. I don't feel like I'm really smelling it. I'm going to put some on my finger because I do have something on my lips. So if I do not like this, I like to be able to, you know, pay it forward and pass it along. Ooh. I am kind of smelling it now. I'm smelling just a little kiss of citrus. It does feel a little bit thicker than some of these that I've tried. So I think I'm going to like that, especially going into the winter months. Maybe something that we could sleep in, and it's going to kind of have a little bit of grip and hold and stay on the lips. Next up is the LYS Beauty, the Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick, and I have the shade Sincere. Huge fan of LYS Beauty. All right, and then last but certainly not least in here is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara in the shade Black. So for our Icon Box, we got mascara, our lip balm, a lipstick, and our palette. As far as makeup type products, we got our Amika hair product. We got our KORES Santorini Grape Skin Reset Mask. We got the Elemis Skin Buff Deep Cleansing Exfoliator. And the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. I am thrilled. I think Icon Box wins. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to give the Icon Box a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. It is exactly what I asked for. I feel like I could have gotten a little bit more sparkle, shine, little pretty special shades maybe from the palette, but I'm excited to see a palette, and I wanted that. Things to exfoliate, quench, you know, quench the hair, things like that. I'm thrilled, you guys. I'm absolutely thrilled. I will kind of go through our little pamphlet. I do want to give maybe some pricing and stuff like that, just to give you an idea of, in my opinion, how great of a value everything is here. So let me try to look up some pricing for you guys. All right, the Polite Society Pout Glossy Lip Balm is $21. It says it's infused with a nourishing oil blend of peony, vitamin E, and omega-9. This plush and hydrating lip balm pampers and naturally plumps your lips with moisture. That's the only thing I'm seeing on that page. And you can kind of see like some of the items that we could have gotten. It's going to give you pricing and things like that as well. We could have gotten the KVD Good Apple Foundation. We could have gotten so many different things, you guys. Let's see. The Tartelette Juicy Amazonian Clay Palette is $47. So literally with those two products, that's already paid for my box. Mix and match the shades for endless eye looks and you'll fall in love every time. We could have gotten a Laura Mercier Caviar Tightline Eyeliner. We could have gotten a Dominique Cosmetics Cream Bronzer. We could have gotten a Kevyn Aucoin Brow Pencil. So I kind of like, too, that it walks you through so you could kind of get an idea maybe of what everybody else was getting, too. The Elemis Skin Buff was $49. Again, almost the price of the entire box. We adore exfoliating for added glow and love the way that this buffs away dullness and leaves your skin radiant. Love that, too. I'm excited to try that. And if you've tried any of these, let me know. All right, our Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner was $38. The Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, $29. Let's see, we could have gotten a Huda Beauty Lip Blush Creamy Lip and Cheek Stain. We could have gotten a Lawless Forget the Filler Overlight Lip Plumping. And then we did get the Santorini, the Korres Santorini Great Skin Reset Mask. That was $39. I'm thrilled. I think this is a fabulous selection, you guys. I'm thrilled. I love this. Literally what I said at the beginning of the video, what I wanted moving into colder months, especially for somebody like me that has very dry skin. I'm thrilled. I would love to know what you guys think. Don't forget, choice opens on the 1st. Thank you again to Ipsy for gifting. Thank you to you beauties. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.